Welcome to Storytime with Rowbee and friends. Let's read together. Follow along with the bouncing words.
Elmore, the Christmas Moose by Dev Petty. Illustrated by Mike Boldt. Classifieds career opportunity. Job available. Lead reindeer on Santa's sleigh. Apply today. Let me tell you a story. The kind of story that can only happen at Christmas. Like when the cat knocks over the tree, or the dog eats the centerpiece, or someone gets a little overzealous with the decorations. But somehow everything works out just as it should. A Christmas kind of story. Once upon a time, there was a moose. With a dream. Just picture it. Me, Elmore. One of Santa's reindeer. Dear Mr. Claus, I am writing to apply for the temporary Christmas reindeer position. Given Prancer's important job at this time of year, you'd think they could reschedule the ventriloquist convention. But I am grateful for the opportunity, and you sure can't blame a reindeer for having hobbies. About me. I am a real go-getter. You might even say I'm too hard of a worker. I pride myself on my cheerful disposition, punctuality, and good sense of direction. As holidays go, Christmas is my favorite. And good news, I've come a long way with my fear of elves. I hope you will consider me for the job. Warmly, Elmore M. I was pleased Elmore was willing to make the journey north so we could meet. He was eager, earnest. It seemed he might be perfect for the job. But it became clear Elmore was somewhat different from the other candidates. What could I do? Dear Santa, I think we may have gotten off on the wrong hoof. I can see now that because the job listing was for one of Santa's reindeer, you assumed I was, at least at some level, a reindeer. I can also see how this doesn't demonstrate my best attention to detail. Apologies for the confusion. As you probably noticed, I am, in fact, a moose. But I can assure you, Santa, I am a team player and a real people moose. I know I can do a bang-up job, despite the many ways I am not a reindeer, namely, not being a reindeer. I think you'll find I can really hit the ground running. Sincerely, Elmore. How could I not give the chap another chance? Why not a Christmas moose? What would be so wrong about Dasher, Dancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, and Elmore? When you stop to think, isn't that what Christmas is all about? So I asked Elmore to come back and see me again. Dear Elmore, thank you for your note. I think you might be just what we need. Please come back to the North Pole when you can. Your friend, Santa Claus. Unfortunately, when Elmore wrote he could hit the ground running, he really meant it. Dear Santa, looking back, I probably should have told you I can't fly more specifically. That I am in no way magical at all. Wow, was that awkward? For some reason, I just figured when the time came, I'd just, be able to fly. If nothing else, I think this shows a real positive attitude. I know this is an area that needs improvement, but I'd like to ask for one more chance. I really think I can do this. Cheers, Elmore. I've seen a lot of Christmas miracles in my day. Reindeer with noses that glow, talking snow people, me fitting down that one chimney. If Elmore believed a moose could fly, why shouldn't I? I decided to give him another shot. Elmore gave it everything he could. His knees and his head, some of his left antler, and his backside too. But this bird just wasn't meant to fly. Dear Santa, it's time to face facts. Moose can't fly. At least this particular moose can't. I know because I've been working very hard to learn to fly, and all I have accomplished is finding new and interesting ways to fall. It's nearly Christmas, and time is running short, so I wanted to wish you all the luck finding someone to fill the position. I'm sorry I let you down. Please accept the enclosed as my way of saying thank you for everything. They are my delicious chocolate mousse cookies. In case you're concerned, I should mention they don't actually contain any mousse. Your friend and admirer, still a moose. Once in a great while, we find ourselves in the middle of an important moment. A Christmas kind of moment. When we have to think about what's really important. What matters? Who matters? Dear Elmore, I was wondering if you might be willing to come back to the North Pole. I have a proposition for you. Santa Claus. Does this mean I get the job? We're clear on the whole me being a moose who can't fly thing, right? We are. I gave that job to Abner. Howdy. Hello, my name is Abner. I have a different job for you, Elmore. You do? For me? And that, my friends, is the story of how I found my official manager of assorted goodies, treats, and sugary delights. That about does it, Santa. You should have more than enough for the night. You've got 8 cinnamon apple muffins, 1 with extra marmalade for Abner, 4 gingerbread donuts with peppermint filling, 1 toasted hazelnut croquembouche with eggnog creme pâtissière and a dark chocolate glaze. Oh, and I put those little marzipan squirrels you love on top. And of course, a dozen chocolate mousse cookies in case you're peckish on the way home. Have a good flight, Santa. I told you it would be a Christmas kind of story. Maybe next time I'll tell you about the Christmas when we had to hire more elves. Hiring all elf positions. Job opportunity.
Thank you for reading with us. We can't wait until we read together again.